This is the best video that I've ever created. It's the best content ever that I ever created. Once you watch this content till the end, definitely your life will change for better. Why am I saying that? Because I'm here to reveal the secret here of who's in charge of the market. Who is in charge of your market? You think it's your broker? No, you got it wrong. So that you know who's in charge of the market and who wants to steal your money from you and how can you prevent that. Watch this video till the end. Okay guys, my name is Mr. D. I'm D Forex. I'm from D Forex, So guys, I'm gonna be showing you, as you see this chart, I'm gonna be showing you how to trade with banks and all these big financial institutions. Remember, we are not in control of the market. As retail traders, we are not in control of the market. But the banks and these financial institutions who are trading hedge funds, they are the ones who are in control of the market. Why am I saying that? It's because the banks have more money than us. The banks have more money than us combined in the whole world. So they're the ones who move the market. Sometimes you see something like this. From here, the impulse going down. Who pushes the market down? Are the banks. That's why you should see that now the banks are involved in the market. If you see something like this, yes. Okay, let me just make it next. Let me just take it out. Let me just take this one out. If you see something like this, guys, do this. You see something like this, okay? This move, come down, correction, and push down. You must know that the banks are here on top pushing the price down. We are the ones here. They push the price down, they take the profit, and we are the ones here in this correction. And again, they come in, because here we're thinking that now the market gonna push up. No, they push the market down again. They push the market down again. Look here. They push the market down again. Who's pushing the market? Are the banks. That's how you notice that they have stepped in the market now. Push the market down. Okay, the banks are in now. We are the one fighting here. What are we doing? We are fighting. The other one is saying, no, I'm buying the market. The market is going to push up now. The market has been selling for some time. The market is going to push up. And the other ones are saying, no, it's coming, it's going down. So we are the one fighting here. And they come here, they push us down. They push the market down. If you see an impulse move, you must know that the banks are in the building now. You must know that the banks are in the market now. They're pushing the market down. Either they're pushing the market up or they're pushing the market down. So you must understand that. Before I go further, guys, I would like to request you guys to subscribe on this channel and to press the notification button so that if I add a new content, you'll be the first person to see it. Please guys subscribe. Please guys subscribe, especially after this information that I'm going to share today. Please subscribe, because I want to tell you that people who are taking your money are the banks and these financial institutions, because they're trading. When you are trading Euro USD, they're trading also. They can see what is happening in the market. They have an upper hand. They have an upper hand. But what you must know how they are trading. You must know how they are trading so that you'll be able to trade with them. Don't trade against them. Because one will say, for instance, in this move here, see the market, what the market did? Someone in this point will say, no, okay, the market is going down now. No, because it's not going up, it's going down. Let me sell here. They want to sell in this position. Why are you selling here? Why are you donating the money in the market? And they sell and they lose. And they say Forex is a scam. Why? As soon as I place the trade and it's going back. Why is that happening? No, it's not that it's happening to you. It's because you saw it at the wrong time. You don't understand how this thing is working, how this thing is operating. Once you understand how the banks are trading and this financial institution, you'll never ever have a problem. You have to understand how these financial institutions are trading. As you see here, you can see they're in the building, pushing the market down. See here, there's a correction here, and here they're pushing the market down. Again, there's a correction here, and they push the market up now. As soon as they take the profit, they look and wait for you guys to place those sell stops and all the stuff, and they enter the market. Once you understand that, you'll never have a problem. And as I said, wait till the end, and I'll share with you the solution how we can prevent that. Okay, guys, we are on 1 week. Yeah. So I would like us to go to 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame. Let's go to 1 day. On 1 day time frame, guys. We are on 1 day time frame. As we can see here, now the market has been pushing down. But what is good about this is that once you understand how these guys are trading, you'll be able to point the entries very, very easily. Very easy. Because you can see here the market pushing down, the market push down, creating the correction here. So you know that now the market gonna break here. The market gonna break. Once the market breaks here, you sell the market. But if the market wasn't break, you are gonna wait for what? For the structure. For instance, let me just make an example. You are gonna wait for this structure. For instance, you are gonna wait here for the market to break up here, and you buy the market. You're gonna wait for the market to break where? Here, and you buy the market. Okay? So now you wait here. You see, okay, the market is breaking down here. So what do? You enter the market, you sell the market. Because you can see here, there's a little bit of a correction. Market pushed down, and it pulled back a little bit. Come here, you can see that. You can see the lower lows and lower highs. You can see the lower lows and lower highs. It's pushing down. The market is pushing down. It's pushing down. And can you imagine? Because as soon as the market breaks to this point, you take your stop loss, you put it here on your entry, break even. The market didn't touch even your stop loss. So the market is pushing down. It's pushing all the way down till it's coming to this line. Imagine if you place this trade from here and manage to hold it till it get to this level. This is a 1 day time frame, guys. Imagine if you saw this opportunity, you place the trade here and you hold it until it get to this level. One day in another video, I'll be talking about how to prevent yourself from holding the thing that loses so long and cutting your wins so early, because that's what normally happens. So, but I'm not there. I'm here. Imagine even if your lot size was 0.01. Imagine how much because it's a daily time frame here. So let's go to 4 hours. 4 hour time frame. It's a 4 hour time frame. This one. This is a 4 hour time frame, guys. Guys, I want you to understand, to notice something. Guys, the market always do this. The market always do this. Or if it doesn't do this, from here, go up, create a correction, and shoot up. That's what the market always do. So once you understand how the market operates, you won't have a problem. Because you have to understand how the market moves. Once you understand that, you won't have a problem. So guys, let me just pick up something like this that look like this, because the downtrend, I think if it was an uptrend, I think we're going to find something look like this, but we'll look in this chart, we'll look for something look like this. In this one, let me look for something, because you can see here, once you see an impulse is a move like this from here up, or the move like this from top down here, creates a correction here and shoot up. That's an impulse. This is an impulse. This is a correction where the market doesn't give a direction. It's a correction. Yeah? But the market is correcting the price, the price from here and the impulse again. So let me pick up something like this, because I see something like this. You see guys, this move, the market always moves in patterns. Others will say this is a bear flag. They will say it's a bear flag, because if you look from this side, it looks like a flag. Those people who are trading patterns, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Here, you find a bull flag. Let's look for something that look like this here in the market. Even though it's a downtrend, we'll keep on looking. 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 We'll keep on looking, because that's a continuation. I can say here, but not exactly. Not exactly. I can say here, but not exactly. If I can take something like this from here, yeah, I can say it here. You always find, you'll always find something like this. I want to go back, guys, so please forgive me for taking your time. Let's go back to this. Remember, I said I want to look for something. Come on. Something like this. Check. Now let's just give it a room to breathe a bit. Check. Look the same. Go back to your chart and look for something like this that look like this. You'll find it definitely. You will. Again here, check. Let me just speak about another one. Let me move this one because it's a bearish market. Excuse me. I see something again here. You see? You'll always find this pattern in the market. You'll always find these patterns. An impulse, correction, and impulse. So guys, you must know who are you trading against. Because I always say, even in football or soccer or whatever sport, you always have your competition. You must know and understand how they operate in order for you to plan against them very well. You must know how they operate in order for you to plan against them very well. Look how I was analyzing here. I'll show you how I was analyzing here. I'll show you now how I was analyzing here. Sorry, I want to cancel all these things now because I'm moving to something else. Because here I was looking at, okay, this is a correction, okay? This is a correction. From here, I know, definitely, touches here is shooting down. Here, what you can do, from here, you can place a trade here, from here, as soon as get here, the market gets to this level, you can sell the market here, or you wait, another entry is here, after this correction. After this correction, you see, this is a correction, and you sell the market from here. And again, there's another opportunity here. The market created what? A correction, and again, you can sell the market here. Market created what? Let me move this one here. Created a correction, and it looked like as if it was pulling back again. Another entry. So you must know exactly how the market moves. If you don't understand how the market, because I managed to get this, but I entered here. I didn't enter here. I entered here because if you see here, I was waiting for the market to make a move to break here, for instance. Because when you look here, this is my trend line, waiting for market to break here and then after place my trade. I saw the correction here and it broke here, and that's where I placed my trade. That's where I placed my trade. Where was my stop loss? My stop loss was just here, just above. The stop loss would be maybe about 15 pips, 10 pips, nothing less than 30 pips. And you get a whole, because this is a 4-hour time frame. How much can you, let's say maybe it's one lot. Your risk to reward, you're thinking not your risk to reward, I mean your lot size, your volume is one lot. How much you have made here? How much? A lot of money. A lot of money. I like to look at in percentage. %2.64%. Stop loss just here. See? 35. So guys, till you understand how the market moves, till you understand how the market moves and what makes the market move, you always lose money until you understand what makes the market move. You must know the banks, these financial institutions, they're the ones who are there to steal your money from you. They are ones who are there to steal what? To steal your money. You must know your opponent. And from today, don't trade against banks and financial institutions. Understand how they trade so that you'll be able to trade in the same route with them. Think like them. Don't think like other retail traders. Think like these financial institutions. From the day you start thinking like them, you'll be able to trade like them. How do we catch these long moves? Because some of the guys, they place a trade, they see the thing, they see the correction, and they just pull out. How do we manage to hold the trade for 5 days making profit? How do we do that? It's because we understand how these guys are moving in the market. Understand the market. When the market is creating a correction, why the market is correcting a correction, or in a consolidation, why the market is creating that correction, and maybe sometimes descending correction or ascending correction, why the market is doing that. Why? Till you understand why the market does that, you'll be able to trade successfully. Okay, let me go to 60 minutes. Going to 60 minutes now. Check here. I haven't done a lot here because I was holding on the trade. Check on this 60 minutes. Okay, let me move this one here a little bit because I was supposed to move it because it was. You see, same thing. You can easily spot. You can easily spot all these entries that I was talking about. All these entries that I was talking about here. We are on 60 minutes, 1 hour, man. Yeah, 60 minutes. You can see this is here because you saw it. People, they see this impulse move and say, "Oh wow, it's pushing hard, so it's pushing down so hard," which means somewhere, somehow, it will go up, and they buy the market. Like my mentor always say, dumb people always buy when the market is high and sell when the market is on the low point. They're dumb. That's what he always say. But I'm not gonna say that, because when you don't know, you keep on doing things that sometimes you don't understand, and you cannot be accountable for those things. So guys, as from today, I want you to understand what makes the market moves and who's there to take your money. Because remember, the painful truth, if somebody wins in the market, which means somebody is losing. You must know that. If somebody wins in the market, somebody is losing. If banks are winning, which means we are losing. Okay, but you must always trade along the banks. So if you want to know more about these strategies, this impulse move and all the stuff, consolidation, ascending, descending, and all the stuff, please guys, if you're interested, I can just show you. And I have a course that is running right now, so you can get hold of me or let me know on your thingy, on your comment, or just email me, and I'll be able to help you guys. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day. And I hope this video is a video that will help you, that will change your life from today going forward, because you must know who is your opponent. You know, when you follow soccer, it's always analysis. What do you call these people who are analyzing the market, the soccer, the analysts? They analyze the other team. They analyze them, how they are playing, so that they can see their weaknesses. So in the financial market, it's just like that, guys. So guys, take care and make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I hope you're gonna have a great weekend. Thank you.